Good morning, boys. Today we'll see lesson 4 matter. First, we'll see what is a compound. A compound is a substance in which two or more different elements are chemically bonded together. Some common chemical compounds are water H2O, ammonia NH3, carbon dioxide CO2, hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Examples of compounds. When sodium reacts with chlorine, it forms table salt, which is NaCl. When hydrogen reacts with oxygen, it forms water, which is H2O. Types of compounds. There are two types of compounds, organic compound and inorganic compound. Compounds obtained from living sources are called organic compound. All the organic compound contains carbon in it, while inorganic compounds are those obtained from non-living sources. They do not contain carbon, but both organic as well as inorganic compounds are made of combination of elements. For organic, example is sugar, and for inorganic compound, example is salt. Other than sugar and salt, we do have many examples for organic and inorganic compounds, like for organic DNA, methane, and inorganic compounds carbon dioxide, diamond, silver, and so on. Now we'll see the uses of compounds in day-to-day life. Table salt, NaCl, it is used as preservative. Vinegar, the formula is CH3COOH. It is used as the preservative for pickle. Calcium carbonate, formula is CaCO3. It is used in marbles and tiles. Sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, used for baking cakes and bread. Sugar, formula is C12H22O11, used in sweets and beverages. Washing soda, Na2CO3, used as cleansing agent in soaps. Water, formula is H2O, used for drinking and as solvent. Slake lime, CaOH twice, for whitewashing. Before getting to compounds in solid, liquid and gaseous state, we'll see the properties of those. Solids have definite shape, cannot be compressed, atoms are tightly packed. Liquids takes the shape of the container, can be compressed to certain extent, and they are loosely packed. Gases have no definite shape, can be compressed, and atoms are very loosely packed. Example for compounds in solid state is NaCl, for liquid state H2O, and for gases, example is carbon dioxide. Now this is the mind map for this lesson. You can have a look at it. Thank you, boys.